Today, we are introducing the langualpha app, with which you can get a powerful experience of real-time translation calling and smart communication. Langualpha eliminates language barriers, making your conversation fast, smart, and truly global. First, go inside the application. See, we have successfully opened the langualpha app now. The first question that arises is how to start a conversation. Because it works on a walkie-talkie based calling system, touch the call icon provided inside. Here, the numbers of all those contacts who have already downloaded the application will be shown, and the names of those who have not yet downloaded the application will also appear in the list, but invite will be written next to them as is visible on the screen. Here, contacts are properly listed by name and by number. You can directly send them an invitation from here and have them download the app. Now, if I want to talk to Arav, I will go to the search option and search for Arav's name. As soon as his contact appears, I will call him. Now, the call notification has reached his device. As soon as the call reaches him, his saved contact name is displayed on his phone. He has received the call. Now, there is an important button in this called tap to speak. Ye will press this button and speak, and the speaking status will show on their phone. I have selected the English language and they have selected Hindi.
How are you, Arav?
How are you, Arav?
I am perfectly fine. How are you, Shaban?
I am absolutely fine. How are you, Shawan?
I am speaking in English and it is being converted to Hindi on their device, and when they speak in Hindi, I receive it translated into English. Now I am speaking again. Speaking is being shown on their phone. What are you doing, Mr. Arav? Now take communication to the next level with the langualpha app, where conversations are instant, intelligent, and globally accessible. Now I am telling you about the chat feature of langualpha. To access this chat feature, simply touch the chat icon. This way, you can enter the chat section directly, or you can also open the chat feature by scrolling. This chat function is very important because you can chat by writing or speaking in your own language, and you receive replies in your own language too, regardless of the language the other person used to send the message. This is why the langualpha chat section is different and more advanced than other chat applications. Now I will tell you step by step how to chat. English is selected here and Hindi language is selected on this phone. Now I have to type what are you doing? Inking kishmashe. Nama amit tishmatai bote. Begin English here. I typed it in English and sent it. You have received a notification here, which means a new message has been received. The message has come from Raju Bhai. As soon as you open this message, it appears written here in Hindi, "Aap kya kar rahe ho?" Now in the same way, I type here in Hindi and send it. Here, the reply comes in English, "I am fine." This feature is what makes langualpha different from other chat applications. Similarly, we can also send voice messages. To send a voice message, touch the mic icon and speak in English. Oh, Posya, are you Mr.? You can also listen to what you have said before sending it. How to are you Mr.? Confirm it and then send. As soon as the message is sent, the other person hears it in Hindi. "I am fine, sir. How are you?" See how easy it is. I spoke in English and it converted to Hindi. Now I will speak in Hindi. "I am fine, sir. How are you?" After sending, the voice message is converted into English. "I am fine, sir. How are you?" Apart from this, you can also click and send photos. You can go to the gallery icon, select a photo from the gallery and send it. Similarly, you can also select and send videos. As soon as you select a photo and send it, it is successfully delivered to the other person. Besides this, you can also send your current location or select and share any specific location. You can also share contacts. The contact you want to send is received along with the number. If the contact is not saved, the receiver can also add that number directly. Now let me tell you about a very important feature of langualpha called Let's Talk. To enter this feature, simply touch the Let's Talk icon. You can also go to this feature by clicking on the direct icon or by sliding to open the Let's Talk section. The biggest benefit of this feature is that if I know Hindi but not English and the other person knows English but not Hindi, then both people can easily solve their communication by downloading the application on just one phone. Now, I will give you a demo of this. Like I speak in Hindi, my name is Manish Kumar, where are you? It automatically converts into English, my name is Manish Kumar, where are you? It also has auto speak and you can listen to it again. If you touch it, you will hear the voice in English. My name is Manish Kumar, where are you? Are there. Now the English speaking person will speak in English. What are you doing, Mr. Manish Kumar? I am waiting for you. And it gets converted into Hindi. What are you doing, Mr. Manish Kumar? I am waiting for you. This way, two people can easily talk to each other and the language barrier problem is easily solved. If you accidentally say something wrong, you can also edit or delete this message. This option is also available. It has another useful feature where students or children can learn any language. Suppose I want to learn the Italian language. I know Hindi, so I will go here and select Italian. After selecting the Italian language, I will speak in Hindi. How are you? It automatically converts into Italian. How are you? See how easily it translated it into Italian for you, huh? You can even listen to it again by repeating it. Come stai. Its pronunciation is also very clear and accurate. If I want to ask something else or translate another sentence, I can easily use this feature to learn any language step by step. Now let me tell you about the AI Notepad feature of langualpha. This is a very important and powerful feature of langualpha. To enter this, simply touch the AI Notepad icon. You can go directly to this feature by touching it, or you can scroll to open the AI Notepad section. Its most important feature is Ask AI. As soon as you touch Ask AI, it opens as an AI assistant. This feature is very useful for users of every age group and every category. In this, any person can ask any question and get an instant answer. For students and children, this feature is like a boon because it can provide solutions to almost every problem related to their studies. Suppose a student asks a science question, how are clouds formed? You can ask the question by typing it or by speaking it. I am asking by speaking here. How are clouds formed? What I said was automatically converted into text here. Now I will send it and the AI assistant immediately provides a detailed answer. This feature clearly explains how clouds are formed, step by step in simple language. In this way, the AI assistant can answer every type of question, whether it is study related, general knowledge, or related to daily life. That is why the Ask AI feature of AI Notepad is very important for every age group and especially a powerful learning tool for students and children. Now let me tell you about the new AI Notepad feature of langualpha. You can open the AI Notepad section by directly touching it or by scrolling. The main purpose of this feature is so that you can easily understand the language you do not know. If you have difficulty with a language, AI Notepad translates and explains it in a simple and easy way. Suppose I do not know Hindi. I will select the Hindi language. Now I will speak in Punjabi and it will be translated into Hindi. I will speak. What are you doing? I am waiting for you. See, I spoke in Punjabi and it converted into text. Now, when I touch the translate option, it converts into Hindi. You can also listen to it. What are you doing?
I am waiting for you. Useful options are also provided in this.
You can copy, share, save or delete the translated text. When saved, it is stored in the saved notepad section where you can view, listen to, delete and use your previous translated lines again in the future.